So guys, meron akong bad news at good news. Ano bang gusto nyong marinig? Yung good news muna? Okay. Yung good news is, marami tayong order! 48 pieces! Wow! Napagaganda. Ang bad news naman is, tingin ko bukas pa ako matatapos dito. Pero maraming salamat mga boss! Kakabukas ko lang sa Shopee ko ngayon at marami na akong order! So ayan boss, silip ko sa aking project ng di-develop ngayon, okay? This is the square crankshaft. This is for a high RPM engine, high performance, okay? So this is nagawa ko na ito noon, but I recreated now with balancer. Yes. This is the square crankshaft ng Rusi 250. So ginawa kong square because I want the RPM to 6 speed. Kailangan ko ubusin yung 6 speed. So this is the design I made. This is a square crank with a gear balancer driven. So it's not gonna be vibrate. Bakit? Bakit hindi vibrate yan? Because I'm balancing it na, di ba? So kahit anong gawin natin, kahit anong crankshaft, shape of your crankshaft, it will not be vibrate because if you know how to use your brain. Okay? So meaning kung i-tell sa inyo is, you just need to balance it. Balance factor, and so on and so forth, ganyan-ganyan mga ano dyan. Basic lang yan sa atin. Diba? So abangan nyo ano dito guys, but thank you sa mga orders ngayon guys. I love you guys. So ito, tapusin ko muna to, tapos gawin ko to, and let's go!